Chinese Feng Shui year of Yin Wood Snake starting from 29th January 2025 to 16th February 2026. So this Yin Wood Snake is considered to be auspicious one, bringing lot of new opportunities in life, transformations in life, positive mindset in our minds, and it can be achieved by the support of this yin wood snake, which is called Vai Sai. Vai is the yin wood and Sai is the snake. So this Vai Sai is going to bring lot of changes, transformations and all. It is good for those who are born in the animal zodiac of rat, monkey and dog, and the snake, pig, sheep and ox will be lagging back. So we will go into detail how this year will be for each animal of Chinese astrology. So first we will go for the rat who are born in the year 1936, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 2008, 2020. So career wise, when we see this year of yin snake will be very good for you. Improvement in career is seen. Finances will grow. Good for new investments to go. And if you are planning for some investment purchase of land, building or something like that, constructive investments are very good for you. And it can help you to increase your socialization. If your business is concerned with bringing more people in life, going into the social media as advertisements or introducing yourself in social media can definitely bring boostage in your career. As far as health is concerned, this year is going to be good for you, and relationship is also good. There is nothing to be tensed about, and lucky colors for you is yellow, and the lucky direction for you will be southeast. So keeping southeast clean and activating southeast is very good. Your lucky direction is southeast, and by activating southeast you can manifold your business. So place a dragon here. Alternatively, you can wear a bracelet of rose quartz which can attract lot of positivity in your life. Now for the animal zodiac ox, those who are born in 1937, 49, 61, 73, 85, 97, 2009 and 2021 for you. Career wise, when we see challenges are indicated, so loss is little bit there, here and there. So big investments are not advisable to you, so avoid investment in all costs, and wise decision in career and finances are appreciated, because if you are going to get any new career opportunities or new investment opportunities, go thorough, read all the clauses and see the pros and cons and then take the decision. Don't be in a hurry. Health wise, you are prone for some injuries and digestive issues, so be careful in driving and be careful in the food habits. Your lifestyle should be disciplined so that you don't fall into any health issues. And relationship delays is indicated in marriage, and also relationship moving forward is a problem. For some of you, there may be some conflicts, but if your partner doesn't fall into ox category, then that can become little bit 50%. You can come out of it. That we can, when you see the whole video, you can make it out how it is for you and how it is for your partner. Lucky color for you this year is black, and the direction will be west. So I advise you to keep aventuring in the west direction so that you can bring lot of good changes in your career and avert losses. And for a bedside, if you are having any health issues or relationship issues, try to keep rat family next to you in your bedside. Now tiger. Tiger, if you are born under the year 1938, 1950, 62, 74, 86, 92, 2010 and 2022, you belong to the tiger group. So career is very excellent to you. Promotions are there for you. Change of job and change of place is indicated. Goal achievement is indicated. Good for long-term investments and savings are indicated. So any good opportunities, grab the opportunity opportunity. Health is very good, but rest and diet is very much important. You have to follow your lifestyle, good lifestyle, maintained, disciplined lifestyle, and also a health regime, something you have to start to keep you fit mentally and physically both. And relationship wise, you should be little bit passive, otherwise arguments and quarrels are indicated. So be calm and reciprocate with your partner with the love they shower on you. Don't try to be self-centered. And lucky color for you is red, and lucky direction for you this year is south. And I would advise you to keep a triple horse in south direction, so that you can activate the south and bring lot of luck in your life. And if you want to wear any bracelet, I would advise you to wear a sapphire, so that it can calm you up. Rabbits. So those who are born in the year 1939, 51, 63, 75, 87, 99, 2011, and 2023, you belong to the rabbit animal group of Feng Shui. So career is moderate this year, but good for business and business oriented people. If you are in job, it will be status quo, but if you are in business, you can make little bit more business this year. It will be a good roaring one will be there. Business will get good boostage, and you will get help from others. And health wise, there may be repetitive ailments coming in, bothering you again and again. So your immunity should be strong. That part you have to take care. And relationship is, it is average. It's neither too good or it's going to be bad. It will be status quo. And your lucky color is green, and lucky direction is northwest. Keep a tiger figurine in northwest to enhance your luck, because you yourself will be very thirsty in bringing up the business. So tiger there will help you. And if you want to wear a bracelet, you can wear a moonstone bracelet to give you good thoughts, good ideas. Now dragons. Those who are born on the year 1940, 52, 64, 76, 88, 2000, 2012, and 2024, you belong to the dragon year. So dragon is the one which rules over you. Career is mixed, both good and bad are both indicated. Some days will be good, opportunities will come, and obstacles will also come. You have to face the obstacles and challenges with boldness, with inner strength. You can win over all the challenges that is there. And promotions and transfers also indicated. So this year is of mixed results, so you can manage with your intellectual power. And in your health, immunity disorder again for you. So take care, be bold, make it strict disciplined lifestyle, and start some fitness regime which suits you. Don't go for too hard or put too much pressure on your health. Take care of it. In relationship, if you are undergoing some rough time now, it will improve now. And lucky color for you is white, and lucky direction is north. If you want to wear some bracelet, you can wear ruby bracelet. And monkey on horse is recommended for you to increase the business. And also, if you are having any rough time in your career, monkey on horse can help you to overcome this problem. Subscribe to our channel, as your subscription matters a lot for us. If you want my consultation, kindly contact me on the WhatsApp number. And if you like our channel, kindly share it. Your share and subscription matters a lot for us. So kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. So snake, the next year which we are covering now is snake. Those who are born in 1941, 53, 65, 77, 89, 2001, 2013, and of course this year 2025. Career will be good, but competition is there. So you have to face the competition, bring new ideas so that you can overcome your competitors. And arguments at workplace is indicated. So they may not like others who work with you, your colleagues or co-workers may not like your progress. So you have to be careful, deal with them with diligence. Otherwise, they may create some problem. Arguments may become inevitable. And high expenses is also indicated. Finances is good, but expenses will be high, so you should take care of the outflow. And health wise, you may be little bit stressed by all these things, so you have to take care of your stress. Otherwise, stress oriented health like diabetes or BP is indicated, so be very careful, take care, be calm, meditate daily for few minutes. Whenever you feel tensed, take 3 deep breaths. And if you have the habit of listening to some soothing music, try to listen to that. That all will keep you under calmness, so the stress may not fall upon you. And relationship is delay in marriage is indicated for those who want to get married, and a little bit misunderstanding is indicated for those who are already in relationship. So your lucky color is gold, and direction lucky is west. I would recommend you to keep monkey on elephant there to for smooth sailing of career, overcome all misunderstandings, avoid arguments and all, for conflicts and all. Keep monkey on elephant in west direction, and wear a pearl bracelet so that you are cool from inside. Horse. Those who are born under 1942, 54, 66, 78, 90, 2002, and 2014 fall under a group of horse. So this year, career-wise, you will be doing hard work, workload will be more, responsibilities will be more, you will be getting good reward for your hard work as well, so it's not going to go in vain. Responsibility and hard work will fetch you nicely, new opportunities you can grab, so this is the time that you have to do hard work. Health wise, heart health you have to take care, and relationship will be good. If you are waiting for some marriage proposal, this year is very good, marriage is on the cards. And lucky color for you is brown, and lucky direction is northeast. Place a tiger in northeast to enhance your energy, and you can wear a topaz bracelet to attract luck in your life. Now goats, those who are born in the year of goat, 1943, 1955, 67, 79, 91, 2003 and 2015. Career will be very good, career will go well, good opportunities will come your way, you can take big risks to enhance or expand your business. Wealth, you can make some good lot of wealth, and it will be you can save, investments you can do. So for as far as career and finances are concerned, this year is going to be a very good one, a boon year for you. Health wise, anxiety and stress can tell upon you, so be careful. So keep yourself calm, meditate nicely, listen to some soothing music. Whenever you feel stressed and anxiety, walk on barefoot on ground. That can help you to pull out all your anxiety and stress, and you can ground up well nicely. And as far as relationship is concerned, some misunderstandings and quarrel can come, arguments can come, so keep away from all those things. Lucky color is orange, and lucky direction is south, and you can wear a bracelet of emerald so that the goat's energy can increase, and keeping a triple horse in south direction can enhance your money luck and also your personal luck too. So you can try this and bring lot of opportunities coming your way. Subscribe to our channel, as your subscription matters a lot for us. If you want my consultation, kindly contact me on the WhatsApp number, and if you like our channel, kindly share it. Your subscription matters a lot for us, so kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Monkey. 1944, 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004 and 2004 and 2016 fall under monkey category. So it's not their character, but the year I am saying. So these monkeys will fare well this year. Growth in career is there. Help through colleagues are indicated. You will get the correct support at correct time. So it's a blessing for you from universe. And health wise, you should be careful in respiratory disorder. If you are having any challenges in health regarding respiratory issues, you should be more careful. Try to avoid any any bad habits if you are having, because that may trigger up your respiratory health. And relationship is going to be really good. And lucky color is white, lucky direction is north, and you can wear a aquamarine bracelet to enhance your finances and career. And you can place a rat family in north direction to enhance relationship and as well as financial luck. Rooster, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005 and 2017 fall under Rooster group. For you, career is excellent, wealth and finances is going to be really good. You can save well, you can spend well, and at the same time you can grab good opportunities coming in your life. Health is good, but allergy wise you have to take care. Food allergy, respiratory allergy, or any other skin allergy, or any other allergy you are suffering this year can be little bit triggering. So take care, be correct in taking your medicines or consulting a physician. It is important for you. Don't neglect your health. And as far as relationship is indicated, marriage is on the cards, and excellent relationship, understanding with spouse or your partner is indicated. Lucky color is gold, and lucky direction is northwest. You can wear a citrine bracelet to enhance your luck. And if you are suffering from respiratory problem, you can wear a unakite, which can help you to overcome allergic respiratory problems. And in bedside, you can keep monkey on horse so that you can overcome competition if you are facing any such kind. So now dog, those who are born in 1946, 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006 and 2018 fall under dog group of animal zodiac. So career will be excellent, opportunities will be good, people will appreciate you, your name and fame can go well, income will be good, good returns from your investments are indicated. So overall, when we see career and finances is going to be very good. Health you should take care because you will be fatigued fast, so take care of your general health, otherwise everything is good. And relationship, you can meet someone special this year. Those who are single can find their soulmate this year. And your lucky color is green, and lucky direction is southeast. Place a tiger there to enhance your luck. And if you are willing to spend a little, you can wear a diamond bracelet or diamond ring or something of diamond pendant or something like that, so that you can enhance your luck. Pig. So those who are born in 1947, 1959, 1971, 83, 95, 2007 and 2019 fall under pig group. So career wise, careful of legal matters. Don't go for anything which is risky. Excessive expenses are indicated, so be careful in your expenditure. Otherwise, during rainy days, you may fall short, so you should be careful in your expenditure. Health, stress related health is indicated. Sleep issues are indicated. So before going to sleep, meditate for 5 minutes. A Tratak meditation can help you overcome stress and sleep disorder, and relationship will be average. You may spoil it with your own harsh words, so be careful. And lucky color is blue. Lighter shades you go for it, because lighter blue can give you tranquility, so that it can give you good sleep, at the same time calm up your mind. And direction is northeast. Placing a tiger there can enhance your general luck. And you can wear a moonstone bracelet so that you can stay cool. Subscribe to our channel, as your subscription matters a lot for us. If you want my consultation, kindly contact me on the WhatsApp number. And if you like our channel, kindly share it. Your subscription matters a lot for us, so kindly like, share and subscribe our channel.